Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fadi. Today I'm gonna show you how to import this image in Python. Okay, so the first step is to import the library called OpenCV. OpenCV is stand for computer vision. Okay, CV is called computer vision. Computer vision. So how to install it? Let's open CMD and let's write pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, I already installed OpenCV, and this is the version associated to OpenCV. Now, once we installed OpenCV, we can write import CV2. The CV2 is just the abbreviation of OpenCV. Then, what we need to have the image is just the path of the photo, right? So the path of the photo is this one, okay? And we write a prefix or to say that this is the path, okay? Then I will use the image called imread, and this function is to read the image from the path on the local, you see? And after that, I will show the image to verify that I read this image from the local in Python, and then Python will show you the image. Okay, so this last iteration is just to show the image from Python to verify that Python had already read the image from the local. Okay, and then now I can save and then I run it. And as we see here, Python has read the image and then he will show us this image. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. And for next video, I will show you more details about OpenCV library. Thank you very much and see you for next video.